Yes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mark Days. Today we're unboxing the Coach Highline sneaker in Optic White. I believe that's the name of the color. These are just some all whites, real plain, grown man style sneakers. Nothing crazy or out of the ordinary. Nothing that's out here having you looking like you're 23 on your feet. So this is what I wanted to deal with, man. I've been waiting a long time to get a pair of shoes like this. My wife was kind enough to pick these up for me, for which I'm very grateful. So y'all enjoy the view of these. I'm not going to talk y'all to death. Take a look at them. Tell me what you think in the comments, whether or not you like them or whether or not you will cop these. I'm going to let y'all vibe to the beat and just check it out for like the next 30 seconds or so. God bless. Peace be unto you. Like, comment, and subscribe. Take care.